If you don't know how to use stickers, watch this video. Method 1. Draw circles. Use a compass to draw 4 circles on the left side of the journal. Then, use a craft knife to cut off the blank part on the right side. On the second page, draw 4 circles again and cut out the blank part on the right side in the same way. Repeat this process on the third page. Next, stick the little red Riding Hood stickers inside each circle. Then trim off the excess parts. Draw a frame on the left side of the journal. Then, use stickers to decorate the upper left corner and the lower right corner. Method 2. Draw frames. Draw 4 rectangular borders on the left side of the journal. Use a craft knife to cut off the right side of the borders. On the second page, draw the same 4 borders and cut off the right side of these borders as well. Repeat this process on the third page. Then, take out your favorite stickers and stick them inside each border. Then, decorate around the stickers with small elements. Use a marker to draw a bold border on the left side of the journal. Attach stickers to the inner top and bottom edges of the border. Then, on the back side of each page, draw borders of the same style as before and fill them with stickers.